Nahihirapan ka bang mag-isip kung ano yung ipapangalan mo sa pinaplano mong business? Well, may ituturo ko sa iyo para makapag-generate ka ng magandang business name. Let's go! Okay, just go to namelix.com. It's a business name generator na kung saan makapag-generate ka ng short and brandable business name using artificial intelligence. Ilagay mo lang dito yung main keyword mo dito sa box and then click on generate. Okay, so example, coffee shop. Then after that, so you can select low, medium, and high. For this example, let's choose medium. Then click on next or you can click on style. Then after that, you can now select kung gusto mong auto or yung mga ibang option dyan. After that, just wait while the AI generating your business name. So, ngayon, meron ka ng mga business name na pwede mong piliin.